Okay, it's past midnight. We're outside on my driveway with my Sony Handycam on night shot mode and with the GE external microphone, which is hooked up right now. I don't know how well you can hear me back here. I'm gonna walk down the driveway, actually on the side of the driveway on the grass, so you can hear me crunching on the leaves, and I'll come back on the driveway. It's a full moon, or almost a full moon, so I'm just going to test how far away you can hear me. My driveway is about 100 feet long, and I'll go all the way down it and back. I'll use my flashlight. Okay, let's see how it was able to come out. Now I'll unhook the GE microphone. We are now using the built-in microphone, so you can compare how this sounds. Probably won't pick up as much because you hear the tape noise. And I had the GE microphone sitting on the ground. Let me try to give you a close-up here. See, that's the GE microphone sitting on the ground. Let's turn off night shot. Turn on autofocus. I had it on, it locked on infinity focus there. See, that's the GE microphone on the ground. Bought it for $10 at Target, and I just had it plugged in. So we'll see how this test comes out. Thanks for watching.